Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel tablet device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So firstly, need to remember one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. I suggest you use only maximum 70% and always have 30% free space. To check the space on your device, I need to make my screen brighter. So open settings, then scroll down and find here about tablet. Here you can find all information about device, about RAM and other info, but now we need to see storage. And here, if you will open, you will don't see how much percent you have used, but here, as you can see, I can see that I have used only 17% of my internal storage, but if you will use 70, it means 70, maybe it's here in this point, it will mean that your device needs to be cleared. You need to remove old files, old applications, old photos, old videos. You need to move content to the pen drive or to computer, but you can't use this device now. So if you will free up the space, so you will speed up your device. And the last aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. To clear the RAM, you need to click on the square button and just remove all application from RAM, swiping it up. And the last aspect is the trash files. So on your device you have files application, open it, it's pre-installed up, you don't need to download it, and here you will see the clean item. And here if you will need to clean the trash files, so here you will see the remove junk files button. So just click on it and your tablet will automatically remove all junk files from your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.